In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your personalization settings in the ChatGPT Atlas app. Whether you're new to the app or just looking to fine-tune your experience, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. To kick things off, make sure you have the ChatGPT Atlas app open on your device. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile picture. Clicking on your profile picture will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to focus on the General section, which is where you'll manage all your account settings. Within the General tab, look for an option that says Manage All Account Settings. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the next step. As you navigate through your account settings, a critical aspect to consider is the personalization of your app experience. To do this, find and select the section labeled Personalization. This section is essential for tailoring the app to meet your specific needs and preferences. It holds various options that can significantly impact how the app interacts with you. Here comes an important decision point. Within the personalization section, you will encounter a memory toggle. This allows you to manage your memory settings within the app, enabling it to remember certain aspects of your previous interactions or choose to turn off that function if you prefer a fresh start each time you open the app. Simply click the toggle to either turn this memory feature on or off, depending on your comfort level and preference. Keep in mind, turning this memory function on can enhance your user experience by providing more tailored responses based on your previous interactions. However, if privacy is more of a priority for you, turning it off ensures a more generic experience without storing past conversations. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your personalization settings within the ChatGPT Atlas app. By following these steps, you can ensure that your app experience aligns with your preferences, giving you more control over how you interact with the app. Don't forget, updating these settings as your needs change can make a world of difference in how helpful and convenient the app feels. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward and informative guides like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.